Want to learn coding but don't know where to start? Frustrated with tutorials that are too hard, too boring, or just don't make sense? Welcome to Hexly, a blog made for both beginner and professional coders. I'm Mohammed, a 15 years old coding enthusiast. I created this blog to help others learn how to code with fun projects, simple steps, and no boring stuff. Inside the blog, you'll find easy tutorials in Python, Scratch, HTML, CSS, C++, and many other programming languages, mini games you can build yourself, coding tips for beginners, free tools and resources, and cool challenges to grow your skills. I also post videos and tips on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, GitHub, and more. Follow us on social media. Want even more? Join my blog subscribers for free to get coding tips, updates, and exclusive content every week, straight to your inbox. Start your coding journey today. Check out the blog at hexly.infi.uk and let's build something awesome. Hexly, coding made simple, fun, and just for you.